Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Time now for our In Their Words feature, which provides a platform for the nation's youth to air their concerns about burning issues. Our focus this evening, reading.
In Their Words, brought to you by
My grandmother said, lift your arms, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and stop being so mean about everything.
The benefits of reading cannot be understated.
It feels like I'm drawn into the book when I'm reading. Especially a book called My Fishy Stepmom. It was amazing. I wanted to read it all over again.
Reading books has really inspired me and motivated me. It helps me a lot.
Loving to read, it can teach you a lot of stuff in life. And I think that people should really enjoy reading as much as I do.
But with the advent of technology, more children have taken to the internet, while libraries across the country are left empty. At the Jamaica Library Services on Tom Redcombe Drive, there's an abundance of books, from nonfiction to academic, for all ages. With the exception of these 3 students we took with us, just the staff occupy this space. But there are concerns about school libraries as well.
I believe we should open more libraries and use the libraries in our school for what they are supposed to be used for, which is reading.
After the pandemic, the reading club that I've been in, I've been the head of the reading club. It now been closed. Now there's no reading. The library isn't open for anybody to go in. So what this means is that the school has lowered its reading amount.
And what about the books children are reading? It is felt that there aren't enough with Caribbean or black characters. It's an issue which gave rise to a new advocacy dubbed 1,000 Black Girl Books. American Marley Diaz founded this movement when she was 10 years old.
So I decided that I was going to collect 1,000 books where black girls were the main character, and I wanted to donate them to the school that my mom had attended in Retreat St. Mary. And we were able to do that over November of 2015 to February of 2016, and we've just continued since.
Now 17 and heading to Harvard in the fall, Marley has taken the 1,000 Black Girl Books movement worldwide. She's, however, committed to ensuring that sufficient books are made available to Jamaican children.
The thing that keeps me going is other kids that start campaigns, that want to collect books, that love to read, that perform poetry, that ask hard questions. You know, all these types of kids that feel empowered by reading continue to make me motivated. To think that anything I do impacts not only my town, but this whole world in this country, it means a lot to me, and that will always keep me going.
In Their Words, brought to you by